Hello kids, welcome back to Alchemy Online Class. This is Nikita Parekh. So I really hope you had an amazing vacation, but now we have to start with our study part. Before starting our new topic, that is the little musician, I want to ask you a few questions. That is, do you all love to travel? I think yes. Who doesn't like to travel? Okay. So when we travel, what things happens with us? We explore many things. We explore the new location. We explore the people. We explore the culture over there. Okay. All these things. Okay. We find very good places to visit. I really wanted to ask you that which are your favorite destination? We all have one or the other favorite destination place where we are planning to visit in our future also. We get to know more about our likings, dislikings, okay? We get to know more about which dishes we are loving it, okay? Favorite, few locations will have the variety, specialty of the food also, so that also we try to adapt it, okay? Now here what my question will be, I'm going to show you one picture of three different animals. You have to choose your companion. Companion means your buddy, okay, with whom you want to travel when you are going for a destination visit, or I can say for a good trip, okay. So which companion you will choose, you have to do brainstorming on it, that which partner you are going to select for you to travel. Just have a look to the picture. So I hope you all have selected one animal and keep it in your mind, okay. Now different reason will be there for selecting the particular animal out of those three animals, okay, and that animal is considered to be your travel companion, okay. We mostly travel with our family, friends and relatives, but this time in this topic today we are going to travel with our buddy. And who is going to be that buddy? The animal that you have selected out of those three. Now student, there are always pros and cons of traveling with an animal, okay. What is the meaning of pros? Pros means advantages, okay, and cons means disadvantages. Now let's discuss about the pros as well as cons of traveling with an animal. Let's study that. So pros to travel with an animal can be, according to me, I'm saying you can write your own also, okay. Pros means advantages, I'm going to say. So to travel with an animal, the first advantages, that is first pros will be, it will be a very unique experience, isn't? We most probably we travel with our friends, family and relatives, but this time we are traveling with our buddy as an animal, okay. So it's gonna be a very different, or I can say a unique experience, okay. We will not miss them. If you are having a pet, you miss them when you are going far from them, okay. So this time you won't miss them, okay. This can be a second advantage. Third advantage according to me is more fun will be created when a pet is there around us, because they always keep us so happy. Now similar to that, there will be disadvantages also, okay. So what that is cons. So what will be the disadvantages? According to me, I'm saying you can write your own disadvantages also, okay. So the first disadvantage according to me is it might get quite expensive when we are traveling with a pet, okay. At times it may get expensive, and few restricted places are also there where we can't take a pet, okay, and it might not be safe for them also. Few places, or I can say few weather or temperature is such which is not suitable to an animal. So at that moment we need to be very concerned about our pet. So these were the pros and cons of traveling with an animal according to me. You can write your own as well, okay. Students, whenever we are planning to travel somewhere with our companion or without our companion also, we always need to make a travel plan. Now you all might be thinking, what is a travel plan? Just think on it. So travel plan means students activities, okay, activities, package of activities which will help you to, go with a very safe, healthy, or I can say a sustainable option for traveling, okay. We always plan. Your parents, you might not be planning, but your parents for sure they are planning for you as well as for them, okay. They plan away. Now what does a travel plan includes? It will include your information as well as your companion information, okay, with whom you are traveling, okay. All the details, you have to book all the tickets, and what more things you are going to include, the transport facility which you are going to provide to you as well as your with whom you are going to travel. It it will include your hotel details, that is the place that you are going to stay. Okay, it will also include your activities. Okay, what activities you are planning to explore over there, that also will be included in traveling plans. It will include your date of journey, on which date you are going to travel, your personal information as well as your companion information. Okay, all these things you really need to make it when you are planning. Okay, within how many days you are going to come back, that is your end journey. Okay, so all these things, again I'm repeating, what we will write our personal information as well as our companion information. We will mention the transport facility, whether it can be a flight, bus, train. Okay, whatsoever things you are going to choose for your benefit in transport facility. After that, you can mention the hotel details, that is your stay details when you are going to travel. After that, you can mention the activities that you are planning for your traveling. Okay, all this will be included in your travel plans. Now students, our topic is the little musician. Who is the little musician over here? Do you all have an idea? Yes, the grasshopper is a musician over here. Okay, so you all might have seen grasshopper so many times. Where do we find grasshopper? We find grasshopper at greeny areas like gardens, park, or a meadow field areas. Okay, so you have to do more research on a grasshopper, as in our next class I am going to ask you a few more questions related to grasshopper. Okay, so that's all for the day today. Thank you. Have a nice day.